One of the worst experiences we've ever had traveling, I would say. This is like the road caved in right there.
We were greeted by all these cute friends.
Looks a little bit scary, honestly.
No rules. Just go.
It's 9:30 right now. We're leaving Tel Aviv and headed to Stephenminster. We got our... You can't see it. We got our Dunkin', Dunkin' coffee and our donuts, and we're ready to drive. It's about a 4-hour drive there, but I think we're gonna have some stops along the way, so it might take a little bit longer.
Ready to hit the road. So we're leaving Tel Aviv, and the views coming out of the city, you can see it up ahead, are insane. It's just, you can see the valley and the mountains, and the clouds today are really beautiful. So it's a great view. Here on the map that the roads are pretty windy for most of the way, so even if the distance doesn't look that far, it takes a lot longer to get there than it seems, because it is some crazy turns along the way. So we made it to our first stop, and as soon as we got out of our car, we were greeted by all these cute friends. Let's go check it out.
We're at the Monument of 300 Argivians. It's pretty cool. Looks like it's got all these spears on top. There's a little entrance inside. We may check out the inside. Looks like you can go through this fence. It looks like people light candles in here. Oh wow, there's actually sculptures of people. Looks like there's sculptures of men up there holding it up. It's pretty cool.
Okay, so while we're driving, I'll tell you about some, oh, my hand's on this. Okay, so we'll tell you about some of our favorite road trip snacks. We've eaten like multiple bags of these croissants. These are the vanilla and cherry flavor. They're honestly like not all that good. The bread is like, it's okay, and there's not that much filling actually in the croissant, but they're not bad. Like when you wake up in the morning and you're hungry and need something,
It's a good little breakfast.
it's a good option. The cherry is the best flavor. And then these, I think we've had these before somewhere, I can't remember where, but these hazelnut wafers are the best. You gotta try them. And then our other favorite thing is probably the, oh, let me turn it. The Cappy, which is this orange juice, but it's really good. We've drank like how many of these?
I don't know, like every day.
This is a small bottle, but normally we get the big bottle and we drink at least like one a day, but because it's good and fresh and we really like it.
So this is the reservoir. It's about a minute drive away from the last monument that we were at, so it's super close. It's a really good view. It's definitely worth a stop. It looks fake, honestly. So So we stopped another 5 minutes down the road at Ananuri Monastery. It's pretty packed here. There's like buses offloading of people. It's almost like Disney World. This is the back side. The front side, there's a ton of people. What'd you think?
Pretty cool.
You can also climb up these walls and climb all the way to the top if you're brave. There's no railings on the side, but people do it all the way up to the top. We're at the Crazy Holy Spot, another stop along the way. It's this interesting monument. Looks a little bit scary, honestly. But it's a nice stop. There's not really anybody here too, which is cool.
We seem to be at some sort of traffic jam. I don't know, there's a lot of trucks coming through. I think maybe it goes down to one lane, so they are letting everyone through on the other side, but it looks pretty backed up over here.
There's been lots of construction the whole time. Sometimes the roads just go to straight dirt or gravel, and you just drive right through the construction zone. So
there are a ton of trucks. We've seen license plates from, what is it, mostly Russia and
Tajikistan,
Belarus.
All over. A lot of Georgia, obviously.
Yeah, Georgia.
Armenia.
You can see here on our map that the drive is about to get interesting. Lots of sharp turns, and everyone is trying to pass even when there is huge trucks coming from the other way.
Oh my gosh, look at
so
this.
This should be fun.
This is like the road caved in right there,
Oh yeah.
and so that's why they have one lane.
Oh,
The whole thing caved in.
Oh my goodness.
That's scary.
Yeah. And then we have this guy
This dude's fascinating.
just coming up right around this curve.
I'm not sure where he's going because there's a whole line of cars, but in front of me, I guess.
It's definitely a nice drive if you are lucky enough to be the passenger, but if you're the driver, you have to be paying pretty close attention. That it's a little bit hard to take in the views.
Yeah, that is crazy. That is so cool. That looks fake.
Second traffic jam.
Pretty good view from the traffic jam though, can't complain.
Not a bad place to be in a traffic jam.
Most traffic jams don't have a very good view, but this is a pretty good one, I'd say. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that truck is Kazakhstan. That truck is Kazakhstan also. You really get through here.
All right.
Wow. That's cool.
A lot of these turns are so sharp that you literally just like fully turn around and take a U-turn. Back up.
That was like, that view is unbelievable. It's so cool.
Wow.
Stopped for lunch and they always got the club hits playing.
Can you give me the cover?
View from the tunnel. Tunnel view.
Tunnel vision.
Tunnel vision. That's what I'm for.
Oh.
Yeah. Got stuck in the tunnel.
Wow.
Looks like a painting.
Oh my gosh.
So we're stopped here. Looks like another roadblock for some road construction. So everyone's getting out. This is super cool. What you think?
Pretty cool. There's just this huge line of trucks. You can see it going all the way down the side of the road.
Might be for the border.
Yeah, we're thinking that this could be. We've read that the trucks get pretty backed up to enter from Georgia into Russia. So we're not sure. We thought maybe that this could be the line for them to cross the border, but I don't know. It just goes on for so long.
There's tons of trucks.
Yeah, and there's people in them.
It seems like we're still pretty far away, but
yeah, I'm curious if this is the line for the border. Then I'm be interested to know how long they wait. Oh, looks like it stops there
maybe they parked there because they're not ready
to cross.
It's not their time or whatever.
True.
That's crazy. That was probably a few hundred parked there.
We made it to our hotel and the views are so good. It's cloudy, so we can't even fully see it yet, but it's insane.
We're literally like in the mountains. It's like
Yeah.
it's like in between the mountains. Anyways, awesome. Stopped for lunch and they always got the club hits playing. So this is our room in Step Pants Minda, and this is where we were sick for 3 days because we got food poisoning.
Luckily, though, we decided to splurge for this really nice place that had Versace pillows.
Yeah, Versace pillows. These are authentic Versace pillows. You can tell because this place was $30 a night. So, real Versace right here. Laugh of luxury. We did have a great view the whole time when we were like laid in bed. This looks totally fake, but it's awesome. And then I'll show you the scene of the crime.
Oh gosh, please don't.
That's probably our worst days in here. That got a lot of usage. The shower got a lot of usage, and the sink. So this is like a crime scene in here at this point. I pity the lady who has to clean this. We did our best. We had some wipes and cleaned it up a good bit. So it's not too bad now, but
But yeah, awful experience. Probably one of the worst experiences we've ever had traveling, I would say. And it ruined our 3 days here.
Yeah. Luckily, we had eaten our share of cucumber and tomato salad in Georgia because we will not be eating it anymore.
Cucumber and tomato salad was definitely what did it from some random restaurant. But yeah, got the good view. That's about the best part.
So we left Stepantsminda, and right now we're at the Friendship Bridge, making a quick pit stop at the Friendship Bridge.
I don't remember if it's bridge or monument.
Friendship Monument.
Oink, oink.